Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Links in the bio have a special treat there for you. Your word of the day is transformation. This is confirmation that their outside is changing because you've changed on the inside. You've done so much inside work that prosperity, new location, new financial blessings, new job, new intuition, new hobbies, new crowds of friends are coming your way. I embrace you and ask you to embrace it also because you deserve it. Evolve, become your highest self, your better self, and you have been challenging yourself. Therefore, that's why you're transforming, becoming stronger. And when you become stronger and wiser, you can be trusted with more blessings because with positive energy, just like negative energy, carries its own weight. So put in the rightful work. Therefore, you can get what you've been asking for, that plus more. I constantly am evolving. I improve inwardly by working on my weaknesses and refining my strengths, becoming an all-powerful being. Life ensures I'm presented with situations that will help me learn and grow, and I'm aware of my progress, and I open my wings to light. Shine, baby, shine, transform, be your better self, your stronger self, and go get your blessings. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself, love you too.